It's a nice ball.
Salah's managed to get in behind and he took it really well.
Whether he thought he was offside, he was just onside, I think. It would have been a tight one anyway. Not like him, he almost rushes it, but you see his reaction is to turn quickly and look at the linesman.
There's a nice ball to Mopé from Trossard. Gets away from Henderson, looking for options now. And in the end, it's hit over the bar by Byrne. But Mopé didn't seem to be able to make his mind up what to do.
Falls to Dan Byrne, but he just throws a swinger at it and gets underneath it.
Swung in by Gross, good ball. And then headed over by Mopé. Nothing wrong with the cross at all.
No, and he seems to get ahead. With Nat Phillips, I think it is Mopé.
Solly March with a good cross. Dan Byrne at the far post with a good header. And then it's gone in. It's in from Alzate. And Brighton and Hove Albion lead against Liverpool. It was teed up by Dan Byrne, the big man at the far post. And Steven Alzate with his first Brighton goal, and what a place to score it.
And it just bounces off Alzate's shin. Comes flying in.
Oxlade-Chamberlain to Milner.
It's better.
Alexander-Arnold, a lot better. Drilled in! And Mo Salah with a chance. That's a lot better from Liverpool, a lot more like them.
Yeah, and it was unlucky, actually, Salah, because it was fizzed into him by Trent Alexander-Arnold. He just had to open his foot up and hope for the best.
Which is taken by Gross. Plenty of length on it. It was headed on by Duncan, hit Origi. Trossard whips it back in. Pascal Gross with the shot, good save, Kelleher. Ben White coming in, vital challenge by Henderson.
Yeah, brilliant by Henderson, well done by Brighton.
It's a nice ball, though, to Trossard. Now we'll see whether the blue shirts can get up there in support. Gross has got in there. Still Trossard. And shoots, good save, Kelleher. Well, he worked the chance for himself and from a really tight angle tested the Liverpool goalkeeper.
Yeah, he did really well, didn't he, Trossard?
Milner. But Robertson was the target. Alzate gets it behind, and the full-time whistle is blown by Kevin Friend. It's an historic night for Brighton. 37 years after their last win at Anfield, they've beaten Liverpool at last.